Hello, welcome to phase 2 of Connect 4, red and yellow detection. The robot arm puts the red counters in the top ramp and the yellow counters in the bottom ramp. So how is it doing this? Well, it uses the Raspberry Pi camera. This is hidden behind a little bit of cardboard, but it's a standard Raspberry Pi camera module. It's possibly a bit of overkill because it's just detecting the difference between red and yellow. The arm consists of a couple of Lewin-Sols servos operating the main joints and Tower Pro micro servos operating the claw. It's easier to have two servos doing the claw, then you can make fine adjustments. As the arm doesn't rotate, you need to be able to finesse the end of the arm. Those servos are a long way away from the power supply, and you quite often get jitter in that sort of situation. And this can usually be fixed by putting a capacitor or two electrically near to the servos themselves. So up on the arm there are actually capacitors which are eliminating the servo jitter. Another issue is that the Tower Pros run at 5 volts, as does the Raspberry Pi, but the Lewin-Sols, which need a lot more energy to do what they do, run at 8 volts, and therefore it's best to have two separate power supplies. These are actually quite posh current limiting power supplies which are not really required, but it's easier to use the same thing throughout, and they may be required when we get up to the stepper motors at the top. So that's it. We are able to distinguish between red and yellow and put them in the right slot. The next phase is to start building the real thing rather than these prototypes.